Alright, as always, the first step is to be sure the controller box you've been sent has the correct program installed for the car you're working on. For this car, the box should have the two pieces of dual lock already attached to the back of the box. Okay, once you confirm that you have the correct controller with the correct program for the car you're working on, we can start by installing it. On this car, we're going to install the controller on this flat surface just in front of the passenger side intercooler. To do that, we simply peel the backing off of the sticky surface on the dual lock on each side of the box. We center the box on this little flat surface here, make sure it's square, and stick it down. Next, we're going to make the connection to the box with our controller harness. You're going to use the large end of the harness with the locking tab here. With the tab slid out, I want to slide the plug into the box like this, and then compress the tab, and that'll draw the plug into the box. Then we'll move on to making our map sensor connections. Alright, you'll see that the controller harness has two pigtails marked A and B. The A pigtail will go to the driver's side map sensor, and the B pigtail will be connected to the passenger side map sensor. The map sensor itself is located on the side of the intercooler, just down next to the air box. These are aftermarket intercoolers. Your car may have stock intercoolers. They look slightly different, but the map sensor is in the same position. Okay, to start making your map sensor connection, route the controller harness under this brace right here. Just pull that through out of your way for now. Then disconnect the stock harness from the map sensor, like that. The stock harness will then plug right into the controller harness, like that. Alright, once you've plugged the stock harness into the controller harness, then the other end of the controller harness can plug right into the map sensor, like that. Set the lock, and we can move on to the passenger side harness. Alright, the B pigtail harness will connect to the passenger side map sensor. It's exactly the same as the driver's side. It's a little bit tighter to feed the harness around the hoses there, under the brace. Unhook the plug to the map sensor. Plug the stock harness into the controller harness, like that, and the other end of the controller harness plugs into the map sensor. Set the lock, and now we can zip tie the harness in place. Okay, once you've finished making all your connections, you can zip tie the harness to these water lines on the front of both of the intercoolers. Make sure the harnesses are tucked down in these corners next to the intercoolers and are secure, and all your connections are tight and the lock's set, and you're done.